Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to link object data in Blender. So if you want to do it, first we need to create a new object. So I go to upper side and click on add, then I go to mesh, and for example I choose here cube. Okay, I will change position of this cube by press G and I will move it here. Now we need to add here one more object, so again I go to add, then I go to mesh, and for example I will choose here cone. Okay, so now two objects have been successfully created. We need to select both of them and then we need to press shortcut Ctrl L. You will see here a lot of really useful settings, but of course one of them that we want to select is link object data. We need to select this one option, and like you see, this effect has been successfully applied. So it's everything in this video. If I helped you to link object data in Blender, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel because it really supports my work. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching my tutorials and bye.